Hey beginners, this is Miss Katie from Carrington Academy, Brazelton. Since we have been learning about fruits and vegetables this week in our distance learning program, I thought it would be a really cool science experiment to do an apple volcano. Do you guys know what a volcano is? It's like a big mountain that erupts with hot lava. We're going to try to recreate that using an apple, baking soda, and vinegar. And so what we're going to do first is pour some baking soda inside of the apple. And then we're going to put the vinegar inside the apple as well. What do you guys think is going to happen when these two ingredients mix together? Let's see if we can make our volcano. Are you ready? Here we go. Wow. Do you guys see that? What a cool science experiment. Now it's not really hot lava, it's just fizz. So this would be safe to try at home if you guys had these three ingredients. And that's our science experiment for today.